How did I achieve a 200% return on a $1,000 account and have made $2,000 or 3,000 in total was the end amount with a win rate of 85% over the course of a year in this FX replay backtest? When I can tell you it's not a fancy strategy that I've been learning, and trust me, I've seen them all. It's not a specific Elliott Wave, Ichimoku, ICT, lemon sorbet venison market, croissant, inducement, liquidity, butter strategy. It's none of that. It's a it's intuition and years of experience. So I'm just going to show you some other results. This one is 47% win rate for 152% for a year. This is a 100% win rate at 120%. This is 38% win rate for 20%. But you can see the stats don't always play out ideally, but it does end up going to profit after a while, even if I completely lose an account. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate a random date and time in a random Forex pair. So I'm going to trade from Euro JPY and the 15th of July 2019. So this is a brand new FX replay backtesting session, and it's going to be Euro JPY, and the date will be 2019, 15th of July, July 15th. Okay. The end date will be today. Doesn't really matter. So let's go ahead and start the test. I'm not going to use any strategy whatsoever. Okay. I'm just going to use my intuition just to show you that you don't need to keep looking for the next strategy to use because it really doesn't matter. Okay. So I'm just going to delete everything just in case there is something here. No, there isn't. So let's just look on the daily quickly. Oh, I really don't like that spike. That's really messes things up for me right now. But yeah, it's looking okay. Let's look at the hourly. I'll just keep going until I see a setup because this is just noise to me right now. Yeah, I really don't like that daily spike. This is just a huge range to me. I wouldn't touch this. So I'll just keep going on the daily until we kind of breach that. Okay, we broken below it now. So let's see on the hourly. Let's see what happens. Okay, huge momentum to the downside. Okay, started going back up. I would say that this has a higher chance of continuing up than not. So I'm gonna just get involved here. I'm not going to use stop losses, but I'm just going to measure the lot size. Yeah. And I'm going to use 30% risk. So it's only it's a £1,000 account, so it's only $300. So okay, there we go. Straight away a 5% gain on the account. But let's keep going. Let's see how much we can push it. I would have probably taken somewhere around here, but obviously it's too quick for me to do that, so I'm going to take it a lower amount. But we did just make 10% or something like that. I'm happy with that. If there is a pullback, maybe I'll consider it. Consider going long again. But let's just keep going because it's starting to look like noise again for me. The move has already happened. We've already capitalized on the move. Okay. Yeah, let's just keep going to a completely new setup. I don't feel like this is high probability, although I do think it will go up from here. Yeah, I'm not going to risk it, but I think it will. It's more likely to go up than down at this point. So this is why I didn't put in trades because I wasn't sure. Um, okay, interesting. Whoa. Okay, that's a huge move up. Huge move. Probably some news. Yeah, probably around New York Open. So that's set quite a good direction for us at this point. Look on the 4 hour quickly. Not really committing to breaking this low. This one. Let's look on the daily. We have big momentum to the upside. So, and it's pulled back a bit. I'm just gonna get involved again. Long position, something like this. No take profit, 30% risk, no stop loss. I'll get out manually. Cool. This is the second trade. Let's have a look. Okay, it went hard against me. Okay, it's kind of in profit. I'm still banking on it reversing, although it's not looking good at the moment. It looks like it's going to break past these lows. So, let's see. It might have another move up to the upside, but I'm not keen. I'm not sure. I don't love this trade already. Keep going just a little bit longer. Yeah, I'm going to get out. I'm going to get out of this trade because I don't think it will go higher. I think it will actually break this zone. So, yeah, there we go. Nice deflection on on here. So again, I'm not using a strategy. I just thought it would go lower than some other place where price has already been. So let's just keep going on the daily. Oh, this is 4 hour. Let's go on the daily. Okay, it was the daily. There's this low here. That could be quite significant. Okay, let's have a look. It's just noise to me. Still just noise. Okay, now I would say that it's as a higher chance of just continuing up this huge momentum. I believe there will be a couple of daily candles as well. Yeah, two daily candles going up. Let's see what we swept here on the left. Um, Not much, but there is a lot of structure here. And we did sweeping, I mean just we just came lower than this other low. So I think it has a higher chance of just continuing up from here. And that's pretty much it. That's my analysis. So I'm going to get involved again at a 30% risk. I'm probably around there. No take profit, no stop loss. Let's keep going. Okay, we're 9% up. 16% up. I believe this high will get run, so I'll just yeah, and these highs maybe as well, that will get run, so I'll just keep with it. Yeah. So I was banking on that high getting run, 21% up. I'm just going to close the trade. So without wasting anyone's time for too long, I don't want to make this video too long either. So there we go, 200 pounds made in 3 trades out of $1,000 account. So that's a 22.8% return within 3 trades, and not all of them were winners. So there you go. If you want to check out more on how I trade, I will make more videos. Watch this space.